Alright, so in this video I want to show you how to get the test data off of the analyzer unit and onto a computer in something that can be opened with Excel or Notepad or something like that. So first you want to open up the command prompt, and here you want to type in the command mode, M-O-D-E. And what this will do is it will show you a listing of all the serial connections that are currently open on this. And you can see here COM port 3 is the port that the analyzer unit is currently using on the computer. That's what we want to remember. Let's open up PuTTY, and on here you want to firstly make sure that it's set to serial. It may be set to raw. By default you want to hit serial. Type in the COM port that you saw in the previous command prompt window, and then for speed, for this unit you want to type in the number 115200. That's the baud rate for the serial connection. Once you're done with that, click open, and at this point want to go over to the analyzer or the tester unit and get that working. So over here on the main window, or the main menu, you want to go ahead and select More, and then Memory, and then the Transmit Records button, and that's the one you want to press to send the data from this unit to the computer. As you can see over there, it's starting to populate some of the data. So now that you have this data, you can go ahead and unplug the tester unit. There's nothing you need to worry about disconnecting it or unmounting it. This is just a serial connection, and serial connections can be interrupted without any kind of worry. You'll see this message come up that says that it lost connection, but that's okay. So now you can select this data and right-click on it to copy it to a clipboard. And from here you can paste it into something like a text document, like this here. Just right-click paste or Control-V, and you'll see that it's all comma-separated values. And this is something we can actually put into Excel. So over here I have a blank Excel sheet, and when I select one of the rows, I can press Control-V or right-click and paste, and it will paste that data into these rows. But you can see it's a little bit of a mess. So what we want to do now is tell Excel to convert this into columns, and that's what this button here is for. Click Text to Columns, and this window will come up. Just hit Next. You want to make sure you select the delimiter and set it to comma, because these are comma-separated values. Hit Next, and for now just go and hit Finish, and you'll see that it's spaced out. Although the date you can see here on column B is not right. So what we got to do is tell Excel to interpret this as a date. So right-click on that particular column and its data, go to Format Cells, and go down to just the standard one, and just click OK. And it should interpret it or convert it into a date that's usable. And from here you can edit this Excel sheet to reflect the data. Like I did here, you can see I added in the column names that line up with the data that was presented on the screen.